Hi everyone. Industrial Gray Machine. The Fat Boy Phynix, with its powerful Milwaukee Eight 114 engine and distinctive industrial gray coating, stands out as one of the crown jewels in our Softail collection. This custom creation not only exudes raw power and industrial charm but also manages to retain the harmonious character that has made the Fat Boy a legend in the motorcycle world. Thunderbike's meticulous customization has transformed this machine into a work of art, while still respecting the essence of the original design. One of the most striking features of the Phynix is its impressive spoke wheels. 4.5 to 18 inches in the front and a massive 9 to 18 inches in the rear. These wheels, combined with the bike's sleek, tight fenders, create a bold and aggressive look that is perfectly complemented by the air ride suspension. The air ride not only enhances the bike's stance but also ensures a smooth and controlled ride, making every journey an exhilarating experience. The custom touches on this bike don't stop at the wheels. The flat Oldstyle Riser adds a touch of vintage flair, while the LED stripe blinkers provide a modern, streamlined appearance. The Dr.Jekill and Mr.Hyde Silver Metal exhaust system is the finishing touch, giving the Phynix a voice as powerful as its presence. This exhaust not only delivers a deep, resonant sound but also enhances the bike's overall aesthetic, making it an undeniable head-turner wherever it goes. Parts and upgrades include: front fender recall, front turn signals stripe LED, air ride suspension kit, ignition coil relocation kit for air ride switch, Flip II handlebar, Oldstyle Riser, Jekill mirrors, seat plate, rear fender steel, 260 mm, spoke rims, pulley brake system, polished pulley spoke, side mount license bracket, medium, license plate frame and side plate, license plate lighting, spoke brake disc, rear axle cover, front axle cover, Swingarm axle cover, Dr.Jekill and Mr.Hyde exhaust system. The Harley-Davidson Fat Boy Custom by Thunderbike, dubbed the Phynix, is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of power, precision, and artistry. Every detail, from the industrial gray finish to the meticulously chosen custom parts, has been crafted to create a bike that not only performs at the highest level but also leaves a lasting impression. The Phynix is a perfect blend of modern technology and classic style, making it a true masterpiece in the world of custom motorcycles. Thanks for watching.